Hello, guys. Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel, T-Ski One Way, where we talk all things football. And in today's news, man, we're gonna be talking all things Orlando Pirates. First on the news, Orlando Pirates are on the verge of renewing contract Thapelo Coki with another 2 years because iyaphela contract yakhe last June 2025. So Orlando Pirates, they wanna extend it with another 2 years. So please comment and let me know what do you think about that. Yes, moving right along. In other news, we all know that Rivero, the head coach of the Orlando Pirates, will be leaving soon come end of the season. Now, there are speculations and rumors about Upito Musimani joining the Orlando Pirates. Well, according to Isowetin, no Pito Musimani said he knows nothing about that. No one contacted him from the Orlando Pirates, but he wouldn't mind the project if given the chance. So please comment and let me know how you feel about Pito Musimani joining the Orlando Pirates. Yes, moving right along. In other news, Orlando Pirates are monitoring and scouting Cindy Namtangela, the Murumo Galancy middle fielder, seeing that Orlando Pirates will be offloading several middle fielders come end of the season. As Bayaragu Pirates is Pompa Matayara, especially Lizis Nyokomnandi, but was Pompisa Matayara. So Cindy Namtangela was offered a 3-year deal by Orlando Pirates. Well, that's according to Isokala Duma. So please comment and let me know how you feel about that. Yes, moving right along. In other news, and what's exciting news about the Orlando Pirates is that they just promoted and signed a 17-year-old winger who goes by the name of Tabile Ramantuli. He used to play for the Orlando Pirates development. Now he has a 2-year deal in the Orlando Pirates senior team. So congratulations to the kid. And this kid bafethu wamnandi ngakhona, the way ama-sugar levels wakhe aphezulu ngakhona, the way ushukela wakhe umnandi ngakhona is even compared to Omufokeng. So hopefully he's gonna be better than Omufokeng. Please comment and let me know if you know Uritabile Ramantuli. Yes, moving right along. In other news, I am officially recording this video on the 25th of April, which is the Orlando Pirates will be playing a semi-final CAF against the Pyramid, le Egypt namajananda. Abo my friend, abo bye. And should Orlando Pirates win bafethu, oh nkulunkulu bazodlalela i-final. But right now what I'm about to do ngizonipa possible starting lineup se Orlando Pirates. So please comment and let me know, are you happy ngale possible lineup ye Orlando Pirates, or would you change? And if you would change, who would you replace? Ngicela ubhale and let me know. Guys, thank you so much for supporting this channel. It's a brand new channel. Some of you all might know me. I used to have a channel on YouTube called The Real Talk with Gamza, doing the same thing that I'm doing here. And a lot of people bebang support kule channel leyo. I think I had 9,000 subscribers to show ukuthi abantu bebang-supporta. So YouTube did whatever they did about that channel. It's okay. I started a brand new channel. So please, guys, please support, like, and subscribe on this brand new channel. Ngiyanicela mahot manami, ke a le rata ka lerato la love. Danko.